Good morning, students. I am Mr. Ahmed Sheikh is here. Now, today I will teach you biology. The first chapter of biology is the fundamental unit of life, that is cell. Now we will know about it in detail. But before telling something to you, it's my kind request to all of you that you should pay your attention towards me as well as at the blackboard. Don't leave your seat and don't look here and there. Make a silence. Now, I will start. What is a living being made up of? Question arises that what is a living being made up of? यानी हम कोई भी चीज़ लेते हैं तो उसको अच्छी तरह से हम उलट पलट करके देखते हैं कि ये चीज़ किस वस्तु से बनी हुई है, इसमें कौन कौन सी चीज़ें मिक्स हैं, तो इसके बारे में हम जानते हैं। तो उसी प्रकार से सेल के बारे में भी हम जानेंगे। यानी कि सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है, सवाल उठता है क्या कि व्हाट इज ए सेल बीइंग मेड अप ऑफ, यानी कि सेल किन चीज़ों से मिलकर के बना है। तो उसका आंसर होगा द बॉडीज ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर मेड अप ऑफ माइक्रोस्कोपिक यूनिट्स कॉल्ड सेल्स। यानी कि हर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जो है मेड अप ऑफ होता है किससे? माइक्रोस्कोपिक यूनिट्स, यानी कि छोटे छोटे कणों से, जिसको हम सेल्स कहते हैं। So, I will repeat it once again that the bodies of living organisms are made up of microscopic units called cells. Now, it is to be categorized into two groups. First is as unicellular organism and the second one is multicellular organisms. Now we will talk about first category as unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms, that is uni means single. Uni means single. Organisms which are having only one cell, यानी कि ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म में क्या होता है, केवल एक ही सिंगल सेल मौजूद रहता है, या फिर उसको क्या कहेंगे, सिंगल सेल्ड ऑर्गेनिज्म कहेंगे। इसकी डेफिनेशन इस प्रकार से होगी, ऑर्गेनिज्म्स which are having only one cell or single cell organism are called unicellular organisms. For example, bacteria, fungi, amoeba, etc., etc. Now the second category is multicellular organism. Multi means many. Now we will talk about the multicellular organism. Organisms which are having many cells. For example, animals including human being, यानी कि ऐसे ऑर्गेनिज्म जिसके अंदर जो है कई सेल मौजूद होते हैं, उनको क्या कहते हैं, मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म कहते हैं। फिर से मैं रिपीट करता हूँ इस चीज़ को, मल्टीसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, मल्टी मीन्स मेनी, organisms which are having many cells, for example animals including human being, they are all ऑल्सो कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिज्म, यानी कि इनको हम जो है कॉम्प्लेक्स ऑर्गेनिज्म भी कह सकते हैं। इस चैप्टर we have seen that what are unicellular organisms and what are multicellular organisms. Now we will talk about the talk about the difference between these two, that is unicellular and multicellular. Now under the unicellular organisms, first point is represented by a single cell, because they have possessing only one cell. Now the second point is all activities are performed by a single cells. Whichever the activities are performed by the organism is performed by a single cell only. Now the third point is no division of labor takes place. In this category there is no division of labor takes place. Now the fourth point is reproduction occurs within a single cell. Reproduction occurs within a single cell. Now the last point is the lifespan is short. The lifespan of these organisms are very short. Now we will know about the multicellular organism. The first point is consists of large number of cells. That is, as the word refers, multi means many, so it consists of large number of cells. Now the second point is a single cell performs one or few activities of the organism. Means all the activities, it may be a single or it may be multi activities which are performed by a single cell. After that, one cell is doing this thing, then the other cells also do the other things. Now the third point is cells is specialized to perform different functions of the body, so that there is division of labor within cells. Means here the division of labor occurs within the cells. Number fourth, only some cells of the body called germ cells take part in reproduction. Means here reproduction also occurs. And the last point is the lifespan is long. The lifespan of this category or of organisms are long. That's all about these things.